Adam here from Vintique Motors. Going to do a quick walk around on this 99 Harley-Davidson Road King Police Edition. Show you guys the condition of it, and then we'll do a cold start video. So being a 99, it is an 88 cubic inch fuel injected motor, birch white paint. Bought it off the second owner. He bought it in 2000. It's got 16,880-ish miles. I gotta look exactly. Overall, it's in fabulous shape. Just a few minor paint imperfections that I'll show you guys here in a little bit. This bike has the air seat. Excellent chrome. The wheels are in phenomenal shape. Paint's in excellent shape. Windscreen's in great shape. Seat is seen better days though. This is the original material. Looks like it's gotten dry and cracked in a few spots. $16,883 original miles on it. The police editions had the tachometer. And there's a clock here. I don't believe that's factory. I think that was added by the gentleman I purchased it from, but I'll double check on that. Being a police bike, there's where you would normally have your siren. And on this side, you have the pursuit mode. The pursuit mode activates the auxiliary headlights. And if we flick the ignition back on, see the pursuit LED still lights up. You flick off the lights, it goes out. Flick on the lights, it comes on, which is pretty neat. So a couple of those paint imperfections I was telling you about are relegated to the saddlebags here, the fiberglass bags. There's one of them. Right at the edge there. And you can't actually really even see it because this chrome bar here hides it pretty well, but it is there. I believe these were aftermarket or made by the second owner, the gentleman I bought it from. But, you know, they look pretty cool. Okay, here's one of the minor paint imperfections down here at the very, very end. Barely any on this side. This side has a couple more. Nothing too major. And a small little rub mark right there. Might be able to buff out, but we have not done any buffing on this bike. We just gave it a good wash, good chrome polish. She shined right up. Come around here, show you guys the VIN. Just an awesome bike. It was really fun to ride. I just took it for a ride this morning. Rode great, no hesitation. Brakes work awesome. Oil's great. Checked it before we went out for a ride, nice and clean. Gonna be selling it at no reserve. So good luck to everybody, and we'll see you.